data entry job which I have completed on FIVERR as a freelancer. I'm going to share the full details like what was the budget, what are the attachment client has provided to me, and then how I have worked on the tasks to complete it. So here, if you just notice, this was my very first data entry job which I have completed on FIVERR. It started on March 12, 2017 and I delivered the project on March 13, 2017. So if I open this project details, actually if I open this project in a new tab, I'm going to be able to show you more details. So as you can see here, the project budget was $5 where I earned only $4 after the FIVERR fee. And if I take you a little down, then you are going to find this option order requirements. If I click here, then here we go. These are the attachments client has provided to me. So now let me download these files to show you what was these files actually. So I'm going to download them. And here we go. So I have downloaded 3 of these files. Now if I just open these files, I'm going to open all of them. And just take a look. This was the PDF files which client has provided to me. Just take a look. .pdf. Let me show you. This is so. This here we have got one page. Here we have got another page, and in this file we have got 3 pages. As you can see, 3 pages with numbers and other information. So in total, I had to complete I had to type out 5 pages to earn $4 where the actual budget was $5. Now if you are curious and if you want to learn how I have completed the project, I'd love to show you by working on one project. So let me actually working on one file. So let me omit this from here, and I'd love to show you by working on this project. So where we have got some bold text, we have got some bullet points, and then we have got these small characters and small line actually, and then we have got this bottom section of the page where these texts are just touching the bottom part of our whole document, or actually the whole page. So without further ado, first let me open Microsoft Word. Then I'm going to show you how I have completed the work. So let's click on this blank document, and now it's time to click on this minimize bar. So let's click here so that we can drag through here so that it will just been splitted, so that it will take half of the window, so that you'll be able to see. If I click here now, just take a look. We have got here our browser has taken half of the computer window, and half our Microsoft Word document has taken half of the computer window. So now I'll be able to see both of the documents. I'll be able to see our original file from here, so that I'll be able to start typing. So now it's time to start typing, and I'm going to speed up the typing process when there is nothing to learn from, but I will get back and I'll pause, actually explain the things whenever there's something to show you or something to teach you, which I believe you'll find helpful. So let me start typing out. So what I basically have to do here, whatever information available on this page, I have to type them right here on this Microsoft Word document. So we can also transfer these files, or to transfer these text and whole information by using PDF converters, but sometimes there are some difficulties, complexities with PDF converters, and some client prefers to have their work done manually. So this is what the project was, so I'd love to type them out. So let's start typing here, sharing Gallup student full results. And here this is in normal text format, but if you just notice here, we have got bold text format here. So we just have to select the text and then click on this bold or V icon here, so that the text will be bold. Now if we hit enter from our keyboard, it is going to be in a new line. Our cursor is going to be in a new line. Now if whatever we type here, it is going to get this bold formatting as well, because in the previous line we have selected the bold. So now what we have to do, we have to select the line, or actually delete this line, and after being here, we have to click here again on the B button. So now it's deselected, so it's in normal mode. Whatever information we are going to type here are going to be normal. So let me type out GALLUP. And now what I'm going to do, I'm going to speed up the writing until this part, and after that I'm going to start explaining the things for these bullet points. So let me speed it up. Alright, so here I have typed out the first FIVERR, and if you just notice here I have made a mistake. What I'm going to do, I'm going to click here on the right button of the mouse, and then let's select the correct one from here. So we have completed entering the first paragraph. It's time to select or get a bullet point, and to get a bullet point we have to hit enter, and after that, if you just notice here, we are seeing bullet point, number points, and other formats here. So we need this bullet point, so what we have to do, we have to simply click here on the bullets, and then we are going to get the bullet point. Now it's time to type out whatever written here, so I'm going to fast forward this part as well. Alright, so we have just completed writing these bulleted points. It's time to continue writing these parts, so I'm going to type this information in fast forward mode again. Now it's time to make this text bold again, and after that let's hit enter. Then we have to click here on the board again to deselect it, so that we'll have the normal format here. So we are going to type out Alright, so here we have entered all the information from the first part, and now it's time to add days information. So one thing to mention, some clients are not going to ask you to type out days information or enter days information, but some clients actually going to ask you. So let me show you how you can type out, add these symbols, and how you can get these text at the bottom of your page. So let's move on. I'm going to hit some enters to get some spaces. After that I'm going to type out copyright RGT, and then we are seeing a copyright symbol, but before that let me type out this tags, Gallop Inc. Reserved. Alright, so let's take the next line. We are going to take Saya Tech, Inc. And after that we have to hit tab in our keyboard, and then let's type out appendix G, then a tab, then page 5, 6, 7. So that's it. Now let me show you how you can do days formattings, okay? So now it's time to hit actually click on this maximize, and after that we have to decrease the size of these contents. So here we go. Now we have to take this one, Sciatic Ink. We need some spaces. Let me take you back here. Yes, so we need some spaces here. So let's give the space. And now you are seeing like these texts are getting started from another page, but it should be in one page. So let me show you how you can set the page layout so that it will be fully formatted and fully usable by your client. So let's go to this layout section, and after that let's click on margin and then click on custom margins. Now you'll be able to select whatever margin size. These are in inches, so you'll be able to select. For example, it's selected to top 1 inch, left 1 inch, and then you have got bottom right 1 inch each. So that means we are seeing, as you can see from the left side, after 1 inch we are seeing the content. On the right side, after 1 inch we are seeing the content. Same here, we are going to get 1 inch from the top, and after that our text will be appeared. So same here. So in this case we are going to decrease the bottom sizings here. So we are going to type out, let's say 0.05 only. And now if I just click on OK, just take a look, it's already been updated. Now let's give here a space actually, and now if I just hit enter, just take a look, we have got the exact formatting as it is in our current, or actually the actual document here. So now I'm seeing like these tags are also in bold text or maybe in another font, but we are going to use bold as of now. So let's go for it, and if there is any other let's say any other any other font, client is going to tell you like use this font in this place. Okay, so that was it, guys. So this was the process how I have entered all the information for all of these 3 documents, and I have completed this in less than, let's say, 3 to 5 hours, and I earned $5 as a beginner on Fiverr. So this is how you have to get started on freelancing. You have to start with maybe small projects sometimes, but as the days will pass by, as you will gain more experiences, you will discover many other options, many other features to make more money. Then you'll be able to make in 1 hour, you'll be able to make more than 10 US dollars, more than 15 US dollars as I did. So I believe you enjoyed my very first data entry project example, actually enjoyed my very first data entry project, which was actual, and you were able to learn some new skills and got some knowledge. So before that I actually missed this part, copyright, and we have to add the symbol. So here, after put your cursor here, mouse cursor here, and then go to insert and then go to symbol, and here we go. Whatever symbol you want you can add from here. Okay, so let's give a space, and now our work is completely done. Alright, so that was it, guys. I believe you have found this video helpful, informative, and if you enjoyed this video, if you were able to learn something new from this video regarding freelancing, data entry, then please give this video a like, share this video to help your friends, and please don't forget to let me know your opinion by commenting below, and subscribe to my channel to get more helpful videos in near future. I hope to see you in the next video. Thank you very much for watching.